Hi, I'm Tom Smith, and here's how ASCE is working for you this month. As the voice of the profession, advocating for our nation's infrastructure is a top priority for the Society. And last week, hundreds of our members from across the country joined us on Capitol Hill for our annual legislative fly-in to meet with members of Congress. Even if you couldn't be here in DC, you can still influence public policy at the local and national level, while also developing your communications and leadership skills. ASCE's Public Relations and Government Relations universities provide a crash course for engaging with the media and elected officials. Through the GR workshop, you'll be able to identify ASCE's legislative priorities, determine the best ways to interact with policymakers, apply basic lobbying strategies, and much more. The PR workshop will also help you learn how to effectively promote the profession with its focus on public affairs and the principles of communication. Both workshops are free to members and are offered in person and virtually. To learn more and to request training, go to asce.org/advocacy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next month for another update. Take care, everyone.